Probably best part is my job, which is designing. I can be as creative as I want and yeah, just meet the client requirements.
Day of my life is checking all the jobs that need printing, proofing them, laminating. If it comes to vehicle wrapping, obviously getting sides lined up, initiate the wrapping, talk through the process if it needs to be talked to with.
It's probably one of the hardest things that we actually do. I'm a fairly organised person and I like to make sure that we have and follow our quality check process that we have here in-house, which is basically anyone who produces each stage of work has to be signed off by someone else before it moves to the next stage.
So if Signbiz WA was a superhero, I'd probably refer to us as Superman, really. So with the ability to accomplish anything and take on any challenge and work our way through it, no matter how far or how unachievable we might think things are, we always do come through and get things done.
Good sense of humour, be able to take the banter, take it and give it.
Probably not all signage materials are equal sort of thing. We only use like high quality materials. We've been using Arlon for over 10 years. We've never had any fails with the vinyl and stuff, so we just continue to use that because it's a high quality product. And then the same with all the glues and fixings and everything else that we use is always try and use the best material. So we're not trying to be the cheapest out there, we're just, that way we can warrant and guarantee all our work as well, so yeah.